you can see this is energy system in our body. Many people know this. Yes, just focus the central line and central core. This is central core, vertical meridian, vertical axis. This is horizontal axis. We say frontal axis, and this is sagittal axis, uniting front and back. This is big subject. I cannot demonstrate all because I want to give some tips and summary of constitution. So as a whole, this is body, and inside body, these strong pillars are there, which is holding our body. Top and bottom, front and back, left and right. I will show you also in picture. Now what happens? What happens that when this pillar is broken or deformed because of our disease pattern, then our energy can face excessiveness or deficiency, So when we do treatment, it is harmonized, but we should know exactly, which pillar is deformed. Dominant axis is visible very easily, very easily. But we should also find which axis is deformed. Why we need constitutions? What happens that, like you all know, 6 key. Now I'm not touching all these details. This is very big. This will take very big time. But I want to give main idea, and I want to help you to understand that how this constitution is working in your body. Generally, we have axis law treatment. This is very easy for everyone. We treat, if wind is excess, we tonify, we sedate humidity. If heat is deficient, we tonify heat and sedate dryness. This is called axial treatment. Everyone is aware of this, axis law treatment. Tonify wind, sedate humidity. Tonify heat, sedate dryness. So now what happens in our body? Sometimes our excessiveness and deficiency is normal, in normal range, you know. I can show you in picture, because to understand this picture, I think I should give you very easy picture. Let's see in picture. Because axis law, everyone is aware. Also, everyone know excessiveness and deficiency. But now it is time to know what is the real meaning of excessiveness and deficiency. Just a moment, just give me, I want to play my visualizer to show the drawing. Light. Yes, just a moment. Because when we say that this particular energy is excess and deficiency, even all healthy people can have this kind of axial relationship. In me and in you also, one energy is excessive and the other end of that axis will become deficient. It doesn't always mean that this is disease. All healthy people can also have this plus and minus. But when this excessiveness and deficiency crosses the borderline or crosses the normal range, then person can have disease. Let's see Just a minute. Let's understand. We will understand deeply. Be ready with your drawings. Okay. So generally we do tonification and sedation. Yes, but now we should understand, because when you are making constitution, you cannot directly jump to the energy. You cannot just directly jump to the energy. Oh, this person has agony, so let's do agony sedation, humidity sedation, and winter tonification. You cannot just jump. You have to see this, understand this, whether this is in the normal range or it is really excessiveness. Even healthy person can have this kind of thing. That is why constitution is deep penetration. Let's say first example. This is normal range, and inside this we will see plus and minus. Seesaw, this is seesaw where children play, enjoy, up and down. Now, this is called normal range. Green color is your normal range. Within this, and we will understand also with the help of diseases, but we should know the base and theme, then we can understand what do you mean by normal range and what is the meaning of when the it goes beyond the normal range. In the pattern of disease we will understand, but at least we should know the formula. So now you will see this is plus and this is minus, correct? If I say this is plus and this is minus, it means no problem, enjoy. This is within the normal range. Within normal range. Then second is next example. Again, plus minus. Can you see deficiency? Because you very easily say that this is deficient or this is excessiveness, but here you see that this deficiency is within normal range, but this excessiveness is crossed the borderline. This is called excessive stage. And see another example. I hope you can understand what I mean to say. This is normal range. This is plus and this is minus. Oh, this is imbalance of energies. Excessiveness has crossed the normal range and deficiency has also crossed the normal range. Too much deficient, too much high. This is called constitution of imbalance of energies. Then next, one more case. Excessiveness is within the normal range, but deficiency, this is too much, cross the border line. This is with cross the borderline, and this is within the margin of norm. So this you can see, this is constitution of deficiency. It means when you see this, this plus and this minus, wind excessiveness, heat excessiveness, and dryness deficiency, you should see what is the pattern. Is this healthy style, or is this belongs to abnormal style? As I told you, all are plus and minus. You can see different patterns. This is very important, and this you can understand in constitution. All are same thing. From outward, you can say, oh, this is heat and this is dryness. Heat is plus, dryness. In all picture, heat is plus and dryness is deficient, but each picture has different meaning. So for this, we should know the all patterns of constitution. And to know the constitution, actually, I'm giving you headlines. There is big story, big history, big thing. Yes, because today I have a day, and also I have planned to give you glimpse of reasons also. So major, there are total 26 constitution. Total 26 constitution. Means when you make, as you saw, that if you make all these combination, if you make plus, minus, and all variety of diseases, there are total 26 constitutions or 26 possibilities. We have symmetrical constitution. Then we have cross-link constitution. And then we have, and I will give you, I'll give you examples to make you understand. We have constitution of unification of 4 energies. Total 26 constitution, and these are major 3 groups. So symmetrical constitutions are 8 variety, 8. I will teach you. Cross-link constitution, we have 12 variety. And constitution of unification, we have 6 variety. Total 26. Let us understand first symmetrical constitution. In symmetrical group, to understand this symmetrical group, we should know 3 fundamental axes which I have introduced now. See, this is vertical axis holding top and bottom. Vertical axis holding top and bottom. And on the top, these external chakras, everyone is, even old 6 key people know this information. They don't know constitution, but they know this. So vertical axis is holding top and bottom. It means hotness here and coldness down. Yes, so we have vertical axis 1, and how this picture looks like. This is hotness, coldness. And second is this is, you say horizontal, or you can say frontal. As I told you, this is not front, this is not front, this is frontal, means holding left and right. So here, when we talk about external chakra, here top is hotness and bottom is coldness, and in this left is external heat chakra and right is external dryness chakra. Heat and dryness. And the third is, so how this this combination will look in this type of drawing, like this. Heat and dryness means this is heat and this is dryness. Heat and dryness. Next is front and back. This is yin yang line, diaphragm line. God inserted one axis here, front and back. To hold front and back, this is called sagittal axis. Sagittal axis. And front collection, many organ here. Front is humidity external chakra and back is wind external chakra. External, don't confuse. I'm not talking about internal. So how this picture looks in this diagram? When you focus wind, it means this is wind place and this is humidity place. Wind, humidity. Wind and humidity. We say this is sagittal axis. So now finally, see, we have vertical axis based constitution. Hotness can be plus, minus, or vice versa. Sorry, this will plus and this is minus. This is called vertical axis dominant constitution. Vertical axis dominant constitution, two types, plus, minus, and in this hotness is plus and here coldness is plus. So this is vertical axis. As I told you that we have symmetrical constitution, 8 variety, 8. Then you can say sagittal, or let's take frontal first. Frontal means heat and dryness. Heat and dryness. Plus, minus. Second possibility is minus and plus. So this is frontal axis, frontal dominant axis. Frontal dominant axis, two type. Now we have 4. This is frontal dominant axis. Next is sagittal axis dominant, means wind and humidity. Wind and humidity, this and this. This can be plus, minus, or minus and plus. So we have 2 variety, sagittal dominant axis, 2 type. Vertical axis, frontal axis, and sagittal axis. Now, this is called symmetrical constitution. This is called symmetrical constitution. We will make zigzag, but now what is, first I want to tell you what is meaning of symmetrical constitution. But here, as I told you, that you should be very clear with this. We have total 8 symmetrical constitution. We have done 2 here. We have done 6 here. 6. This is, so 2 more. 2 more we will make. But first we should understand what is meaning of symmetrical constitution. Symmetrical constitution means 3 plus, 3 minus in a group. There are possibilities. It can be like this also. 3 plus, 3 minus, and different ways. Yes, all these possibilities you will see here. Sometimes this 3 plus and 3 minus. Only thing is 3 plus together and 3 minus together is called symmetrical constitution. It looks symmetry like this. Symmetrical constitution. So one is this pattern. Symmetrical constitution is, one is this pattern. Another pattern is, we need 8. Another pattern is, as we have written, interior and exterior. You can write interior and exterior, homo-hetero. Interior and exterior, homo-hetero. This is also symmetrical constitution like this. This is rhythm, symmetry, hetero-homo. 3 plus together, 3 minus together is also symmetrical, and this is also symmetrical. plus minus, this looks symmetry, see, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Because disease can come in this pattern also. It is not necessary that always axis law. This we have to understand in constitution very deeply. So 1 plus minus plus, this looks rhythm, this look homohetero, symmetrical. So this is also symmetrical constitution. One this pattern, and also it can be opposite, minus minus plus plus. So total we have this. These are the frameworks. As you have written, 8 symmetrical constitution. So we have 2 vertical axis dominant constitution and 2 frontal axis dominant constitution, 2 sagittal axis dominant constitution, and 2 interior and exterior homohetero. This is 2 types of, so total 8. Total 8. You all can understand, those who are actually, this part I'm doing for people, those who already know constitutions. But those who don't know, maybe they will get headlines and will have some glimpse of constitutions. So this is revision for them, because I have not introduced anything new for seniors. Now, next is cross-linked constitution, because if we have framework, then we can assign, this is all variety of diseases, then we have to do research on each constitution and how to make zigzag. All people, senior people know this. So this is symmetrical constitution, and next is cross-linked constitution. As I said that cross-linked constitution, we have 12. How do we understand these 12 cross-linked constitution? So you remember I discussed butterfly in your class, butterfly constitution. This is called cross-linked constitution, like this. So we have 12. We have 12. And these are the variety of diseases. We should know the platform. Then we can assign diseases. Cross-linked constitution, butterfly constitution. So let's take plus plus plus. I hope you can see clearly. Yes. And minus. And now these are 6, but then each constitution can be opposite. For example, if this triangle is plus in this picture, in another picture, this triangle will be minus and this will be plus. So as a result, in this vice versa, if you see, you will have 2, 2 for each. 2, 2 for each. As a result, total 12 cross-link constitution. I will wait for 1 minute so that you draw. Your disease, you can see diseases on this level also. Symmetrical constitution, cross-link constitution. And then next is, as we have done, once again, total 26 constitution, symmetrical constitution 8, cross-link constitution 12, constitution of unification of 4 energies 6. So now we will make constitution of unification of 4 energies 6. Sometimes this. Sometimes this possibility. And sometimes this possibility. So vice versa, if this is 4, in next picture it can be 4 minus also. So 2 possibilities for each. So as a result, we have total 26 constitution. Symmetrical constitution 8, cross-link 12, and constitution of unification 4 energies. Total 26. This is our platform where we do deep research. Because I cannot start from the beginning. We need big time, special time. But I want to give you a glimpse also. Always we see, we old 6 key practitioners, they have just done, if heat is excess, dryness is deficient. But sometimes this also can happen. See, heat is excess and dryness is also excess. See this. Wind is excess and humidity is also excess. How to handle this? Patient can have high fever, If now, because now you know all energies, you know where to put heat and dryness. So if this is high fever, sometimes patient also can have some pus with fever. This is a very common case. Pus. Yes. So what to do with this when these two things are excessiveness? And let us see previous. This is heat. How disease manifest? How disease can manifest in your body? This is heat, humidity, dryness 3 plus. This is not following access law. That is why we say cross-linked. Patient has heat, fever, some pus, and also pain. This is very common. Even if we understand this, even we can do local kick or local 6 key also. Those who have done local 6 key, everyone knows. There was a case when a patient had some boil in some part of the body. One of my students did this. So now this boil, protrusion, this is protruded boil, this is protrusion, this has now pus also, and this is surrounding area very painful. You know this kind of boil, anywhere it can come. Pus inside, pus is inside. Also this is infection, protrusion, and very painful. Can you feel this small area constitution, this constitution here? This is not only for big diseases, but also for small diseases also. So if this situation in local 6 key, what you are doing in local 6 key? You can go to correspondent point. You should know, for doing local 6 key, you can go to correspondent point. And there what you will do? And if it is in the, and Professor Park gave example of some person, this one couple, wife had a boil on the back and husband did local 6 key on the back around the boil. We do on Sujo, but also tried and result came. So boil is here, and you know the rules of local 6 key, where is coldness point and where is hotness point, and where is wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness, coldness point. Yang side is anti-clockwise, yin side is clockwise. This is old, you all know this. But then after finding this is protrusion, and this is pus, and this is very painful boil, made circle, did calculation, and whatever answer is coming, did local 6 key here. Sometimes in ear, pus is there, infection is there, pain is there, small glimpse. Then we can go to big diseases also. So, oh yes, pain is this, pus is this, infection is this. Sometimes this kind of disease you can see, wind plus, dryness plus, humidity plus, agony is there, allergy is there, body pains is there, so many combination. This one or this one or this one, so many combination. So now also this, you can see this constitution. In psoriasis, you will see this kind of constitution. We should understand, we should upgrade our constitution, that we just don't have this access law. We are very familiar with access law, wind excess, wind sedation, humidity tonification, heat. This is there, of course this is there, but also this is also there. You have to go above this access law also. Access law is fundamental, but if this kind of picture is there after doing treatment, this picture will turn to access law. Finally, we have to bring all constitution to symmetrical constitution. This is called like good constitution. But all these cross-link constitution and this constitutions happen in extreme cases. When you do treatment of this, then this constitution can come back to access law. And when it comes back to, when you harmonize this, then it will return to access law. And then it is easy to do treatment. Sometimes the result is not coming. Like this, you see what happens in psoriasis. In psoriasis, generally you say that it is dryness, excessiveness, and you sedate the dryness and you tonify heat. But then you have to see full picture. In skin, you will see many more things. Psoriasis. This is very good picture of psoriasis. New skin, new birth of skin. Scales are coming every day, new skin, unwanted. We don't want this kind of regeneration. Sometimes unwanted regeneration. This is wind excessiveness. Rejuvenation, regeneration. Regeneration is quality of wind. The liver regenerates fastly. So if anything, if you need regeneration in deficiency, of course we tonify wind. But here in psoriasis, the skin constitution, this is the constitution of skin, then regeneration. And also you will see round patches in psoriasis, round skin flakes, round patches, hotness. And dryness, of course, skin disease, dry, extremely dry. Humidity becomes deficient in psoriasis. Circulation becomes deficient in psoriasis. Coldness is also, wisdom is deficient in psoriasis. That is why this wind and hotness has become aggressive, and as a result, psoriasis. So if you sedate just dryness and tonify heat, it is not working also. And if you sedate dryness and tonify heat, it will not work, because in this, when the constitution is this, there is no bridge between, this is broken. There is no energy exchange here. Energy exchange will only happen when there is a bridge. Like this. This we are always studying. We are looking these pictures always. This is the bridge between two axes, between two energies. So even if you sedate everyday patient coming in your clinic for psoriasis, you sedate dryness, tonify heat, it will not work. And then you sedate scales, wind sedation, it will not work. We need to find answer for this. Professor Park has given very beautiful answer. I will tell you, for example, let's take, I can give you one symmetrical view. This is vertical axis dominant constitution. In my next webinar, I want to fully devote that webinar only on constitutions. I need big time, maybe 1 week, many hours to understand this. We will penetrate more and more in this. But I want to give you clear-cut glimpse that how and why we don't get result. One example. If patient has, and also these constitutions, after making constitutions, then your second research is, you have to write this. Then further research is, either this constitution is structural based or functional based? Now for senior people, they can focus. Symmetrical, one example for symmetrical constitution. And then we will understand structural or functional. So a patient has a deficient bladder. The person cannot hold urine. So it means this is weak minus. Also, a person has anger. Person has anger, sharp pain in the body, and heavy weight. No, you can say less appetite. That is why when I was teaching energies, I gave you how is the appetite, how is the figure, how is the shape. You have to compile all notes also before you join next webinar. It will be very, very intensive, hardworking, and you have to find time for yourself. So if appetite is less, it means this is weak. And sometimes we don't get clue for this heat energy. He doesn't have any heat symptom, but we are making constitution and we need to know what is the status of this. No disease pattern now, but then we are looking his emotions. He is joyful, and this person can laugh loudly, can produce sound, ha ha ha. Oh, then immediately you come to know the status of heat energy. This is so character traits, how is the sound, this all, because this is disease is very clear, but this I don't have any clue. So all my characters, my traits, patient trait, how he thinks, how is his character, all high blood pressure, symmetrical constitution. Now, because we have studied what dominant axis, vertical axis is dominant axis. Oh, no, we will first study this. So we have vertical axis, we have frontal axis, and we have sagittal axis in this picture. In our body, we have 3 axes. But because of excessiveness and deficiency, one axis you will find missing or deformed. So in this situation, how to do treatment? If 3 pluses are there together and 3 minus are there together, it means you will not see that rhythmic axis law, what you have been doing since past years. How to do it? So for senior people, they know there is a pattern, we make zigzag. So there is a system, there's a formula. And as I told you that this is for senior people, they know why we did this, how we did this, what is the story behind a zigzag. Because if I explain all this, I want to reach reasons. So now in this situation, after doing this is calculation. This is coming after some calculation. And then you see the bridge between 2 energies. These are the bridges, and on these bridges you can do treatment. You can see hotness and coldness has bridge. Heat and dryness has bridge. But wind and humidity doesn't have bridge. So wind and humidity axis is broken. If in this patient, if you sedate, wind and tonify humidity again and again, his appetite is very less, and you say, okay, he has these kinds of diseases, but now you want to tonify because he should eat food, you want to tonify humidity, you are doing tonification of humidity, sedation of wind, it will not work at all, because this is broken axis. This is no bridge. There is no bridge between two energies. So we should find the pathway how to help, is if our mission in this case, because he has these diseases, but now my main aim is to help him so that he eats food. How we will do? Tonify, humidity, and then you see the bridge. We don't have bridge with wind, we have bridges. We can see two bridge. Either you go this way or you go this way, and you can see what is dominating or what is more highlighted symptom in his body. Accordingly, you can select one among two. So if you tonify humidity, you can sedate this or you can sedate this. Let's take this because I focus, maybe let's focus high blood pressure is my priority. So I sedate hotness, 3 stands for hotness, and I tonify coldness, bridge. So at a time, to balance this constitution, we do 3 needles and 3 points, color therapy on 3 points. To bring this level into healthy picture. Healthy picture means there is bridge. This is healthy picture. Healthy picture meaning is this. Two energies, two axis pair energies have bridge. So if we do treatment, and this will become like this, and when this will change into like this is harmonious, this is healthy, and then here tonification and sedation will help. This is very important. And then how do we say, how do we give name also? Sometimes, see, this is very big story, but here if we have to give name, we choose center plus or center minus. The name of this constitution is heat excessive constitution or dryness deficient constitution. Heat excessive constitution means neighbor energies are also plus. Dryness deficient constitution means neighbor energies are also minus. And then we think, what is this? Structural or functional, like this. Structural, but before understanding this is structural or functional, we should understand the big story of this. Our meridian system, for example, lung and large intestine, we say this is dryness energy. This is very big work actually. Finally we have to reach this. If we couldn't reach, then we fail. This is our practice. We have to do intensive practice of all constitution deeply. Lung and large intestine is dryness energy. It means structurally, this is dryness energy structurally. I'm just giving small glimpse. But when you see organ clock time, then according to organ clock time, lung and large intestine are working in the morning. There are many ways to understand that lung and large intestine is also, it can be wind energy. This is new concept I'm introducing for old participants. They don't know this. So because according to organ clock time, early morning 3 to 5 a.m. and 5 to 7 a.m. in this time, you all know organ clock time, in this time lung and large intestine are working. And when we divide day cycle, because 6 key you see in every part, in every phenomena you see 6 key. So when you see day cycle, then early morning time, rising sun time, initiative time of day cycle is wind. That is why